The MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is a powerful and efficient solution designed for high-quality direct-to-film printing with speed and reliability. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this DTF printer in the description below at the latest price. This printer stands out with its built-in automatic timed cleaning and white ink circulation system, which effectively prevents clogging and reduces maintenance costs. Whether the printer is in continuous use or idle, the automatic cleaning ensures smooth and consistent nozzle performance for flawless prints every time. Equipped with the XP600 printhead, the MZK A3 Plus doubles the printing speed compared to traditional models like the Epson L1800 and L805, producing up to 180 prints per day. Its high-precision 2880 by 1440 dpi resolution guarantees crisp and vivid images, making it ideal for professional and small business printing projects. The printer supports a generous 33 cm wide DTF film, allowing for large and continuous prints with ease. Its 5-inch LED multifunction touchscreen offers intuitive control over printing settings, nozzle inspection, and layout adjustments, simplifying the printing workflow. The printer package is comprehensive, including everything needed to start printing immediately: an A3 DTF oven, 100 meters of 33 cm wide DTF film, 5 250 ml ink bottles, DTF powder, cleaning accessories, and a USB drive with detailed instructional videos. Additionally, the printer features advanced software compatible with Windows 7, 10, and 11, designed to eliminate installation errors and support flexible image layouts. This ease of use ensures minimal downtime and maximum productivity. With a focus on durability and customer support, the MZK A3 Plus comes with a 2-year warranty on non-consumable parts and a 3-month warranty on the printhead, backed by a dedicated engineering team ready to assist within 24 hours. The innovative anti-blocking technology, combined with the automatic cleaning and moisturizing device, significantly extends the lifespan of your printhead and minimizes downtime, allowing you to focus more on your creative and business needs. In summary, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer delivers a reliable, fast, and user-friendly printing experience, making it a top choice for anyone seeking high-quality direct-to-film printing with professional support and ongoing ink supply. This printer blends cutting-edge technology with practical features to meet the demands of modern print professionals.